So today I'm going to show you how to set up out of office for Microsoft Outlook and for online Outlook. So if you're working with Outlook, obviously you're working with an Exchange server, so that means you work with a large organization or a large company. So what you want to do is open up Outlook, and Outlook is usually under your start menu, but I already have it launched here. So to set up out of office, you want to go to Files, and then here you'll see the auto reply set up for out of office. You want to go here and then just check this box here to set out of office replies, and then you can set a time and date by going here and choosing your time and date. As you can see, I already have a message set up here, and this is for internal messages for the organization. So anyone that emails you inside of the organization will get this reply message. But you can also set one for people that will email you outside of the organization, and that can be set up here as well. Once you're done, just hit OK, and now your out of office will be set. And to turn it off, of course, you can just click on here to turn off your out of office message. So let's say you're out of the office and you want to set it up. So what you want to do is go to your online web access, which is OWA. So your online Outlook will look like this. And it's usually a link, so you want to talk to your office administrator to find out what the OWA link is for your company or organization. So once you're here, what you want to do is go to the actual little gear in the upper right hand corner. That'll be for your settings, and then you'll see the drop down menu, and you'll see the auto reply out of office setup here. And it's the same setup, the same situation. You just want to choose the same options as before. Set your auto reply, and then set your time. And then of course you'll have the message here, but you'll also have the option to set up for external replies as well.